Hello everyone, and welcome back to Destin Learning. In this video, we are going to look at how to set up and manage databases on Amazon AWS with their RDS system. Let's go ahead and take a look. Amazon RDS is a fully managed service that simplifies setting up, operating, and scaling relational databases in the cloud. It supports MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, SQL Server, and Aurora. Key features include easy database setup and management without worrying about infrastructure. Best practices ensure efficient management and scalability. Amazon RDS Managed Service automates tasks like provisioning, patching, backups, and recovery. This allows you to focus on building applications instead of managing databases. RDS supports various popular relational database engines, including MySQL, PostgreSQL, MariaDB, Oracle, SQL Server, and Amazon Aurora. This flexibility allows you to choose the best engine for your specific use case. RDS offers automatic backup and restore features. It backs up your database daily and provides point-in-time recovery, allowing you to restore to any point within your retention period. RDS supports multi-AS deployments, replicating your database to a standby instance in a different availability zone. This setup ensures high availability and automatic failover in case of hardware failure or instance disruptions. Amazon RDS allows easy scaling of database resources. You can scale compute and storage with just a few clicks. It supports vertical scaling by upgrading instance types and storage scaling to adapt to changing workloads. Amazon RDS ensures security by integrating with AWS IAM for access management and offering encryption options for data at rest and in transit. RDS integrates with Amazon CloudWatch to provide detailed metrics and logs about database performance. You can set up alerts for specific metrics like CPU utilization, storage capacity, and database connections. This guide provides a step-by-step process for setting up a database on Amazon RDS. Begin by signing into the AWS Management Console and then navigate to Amazon RDS. To create a new database, start by clicking the Create Database button. Then, select your preferred database engine, such as MySQL, PostgreSQL, or Amazon Aurora. When selecting a database use case, choose the appropriate environment. Use the production environment for high availability and performance, or the dev/test environment for testing purposes. Configure your database settings by specifying the instance identifier, master username, and password. Select the appropriate instance class based on your application's needs, and choose the required storage amount. You can also configure automatic storage scaling if necessary. Enable multi-AS deployment to ensure automatic failover during hardware failures, especially in production environments. Configure your VPC for network isolation. Define subnets, set security group rules, and ensure ports like 3306 for MySQL are open for database access. Configure your backup retention period, set up automated backups, and enable enhanced monitoring for real-time metrics. Review your settings and click Create Database. RDS will then take a few minutes to provision your database. To find the endpoint, navigate to the RDS console, access your database instance, and locate the endpoint and port information. To connect to the database, use the endpoint with your preferred client. Ensure correct username, password, and security settings. For MySQL, use the command MySQL HUP. AWS offers several tools and features to effectively manage your database once it's up and running. Amazon RDS integrates with CloudWatch to provide performance metrics and allows setting up alarms for threshold breaches. Additionally, the Performance Insights tool offers in-depth analysis of database queries and workloads to optimize performance. Amazon RDS allows easy scaling of your database instance. You can vertically scale by upgrading your instance type, for example from db.t3.micro to db.m5.large. Additionally, you can scale storage by increasing the allocated size, with automatic storage scaling to prevent running out of space. RDS provides automated daily backups with a retention period of up to 35 days. You can also manually create snapshots anytime, which can be restored to create a new RDS instance or recover from an outage. Amazon RDS offers several security features including encryption for data at rest, IAM roles for access control, and security groups to manage traffic. Amazon RDS takes care of minor version upgrades and database patching automatically during the maintenance window you set. If needed, you can also manually initiate updates. For managing RDS databases, enable multi-AZ for high availability, use automatic backups, and monitor performance. Ensure security with encrypted connections and IAM roles. Regularly assess and scale resources as needed. In summary, Amazon RDS offers a fully managed platform for deploying and managing relational databases in the cloud. It automates tedious tasks, freeing up developers' time. Key features include multi-AZ deployments, automatic backups, scaling options, and security integrations. RDS is suitable for both small web applications and large-scale enterprise solutions. Well, that's it for this video. I hope it's giving you a good idea of how to get started with Amazon RDS. If you'd like this video, please click the thumbs up button. If you would like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to our channel.